she shreds. That power! Is it feeling more comfy now? Yeah. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Live, AK MotoBroo, and Snazzy's on my 450 and it's sketching me out, bro. And I'm on a grom, but let's get in today's video.
Oh, bro, can I ride your 450?
Yeah.
They're really hard.
You can ride it?
I heard they're like CX10.
A little bit. You say what?
I was like, I just love that people are like, they're so hard.
What, the 450? They are. They're harder than a sport bike. I'm on Snazzy's grom right now. No handbrake. Dude, I'm so scared letting people ride my 450, but Snazzy, she shreds. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That power! That power! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Hey, that power! That power is more than your 600. Say what?
Do you clutch or just gas it up?
I clutch up. Let's go! You already know we outside. Shoo! Let's go! Snazzy getting it. And the sport bike. You, is it feeling more comfy now?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's always like getting used to like that throttle is a little weird because it's so touchy.
And the seat, because I'm like used to like front seat.
I hate when it has a dip.
Really?
Yeah, I'm sitting up here. It's so dumb just to see all the sport bike homies killing it. Yo, we going crazy. Okay. Okay. I see you, dog. Even though Snazzy freaking got in the way with her 450. Woo! Snazzy, dude. Oh, she getting back there on now. So you like the 450 better than a sport bike?
Yeah, I kind of want one.
That's what I'm saying. It's so lightweight.
It's so fun.
That's what I'm saying.
My pants falling off every time.
No, that's that seat gripper. But yeah, it's just a chill day at the lot. It's sort of cold out here in Florida, to be honest, bro. It's a little chilly. But we still out here vibing. Woo! Oh my God. That was scary, dog. Dude, I love that blue bike. I swear, if I had one of those, it would be blue like that. Shoo! Shit, bro, that blue bike. This shit looks so good. Let's go. Your bike looks so sick, bro. The blue just pops out. It's so dope. Damn. And you're killing it. You're so smooth on that thing.
My first time doing that real transition.
That was your first time? Bruh. Bro, we got the same gloves almost.
Oh yeah. This one's right here, pretty dope. You got knuckles on yours?
Nah. Oh, you got knuckles. Ah. It's sick. I love seeing people rip sport bikes. It's so dope. Especially when it's clean, bro. Like, it just looks dope. Of course, bro. Oh my God, the nerves are already going. Oh, does he have his idle up? He does. Hey, do you have an idle switch? Can you turn it down?
What do you want it at?
Just like normal, like 1,000? Yeah, perfect. Thank you, bro. Woo! This boy powerful, dude. Holy shit, dog. And definitely ain't as smooth as Snazzy's, I can tell you that. definitely ain't as smooth as Snazzy's. I traded the 450. Hey, it's so scary.
You look good on it though.
I do? I appreciate that. Alright, enough of this sport bike, bro. Here, I'll take that off you. You get a good clip?
Probably not.
Woo, there he goes. Yes, sir. That's what we're talking about. Man, it's so cool watching people progress, bro. He actually had the Supermoto 150. You might have seen in a previous video, but he sold that and now he has an FC07. Hey, you sold your 150, right? Okay, word.
Yeah, that's gone.
You didn't want it no more?
Yeah, like I'll ride it for like a season and then
Ah.
to the next one.
Oh yeah. You're keeping this one for a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a SD7?
Nah, it's a YZ700. Same shit as yours, it's just a 700. Big YZ. No, I'm fucking with you. It's a SZ.
You got me tripping for a second. I'm like,
Everybody calls it the YZ700 though, so.
got the handbrake, so he's sort of cheating, but then again, he's on the ground, so does it count as cheating? I don't know. Hey, let's go. Is that a Grom or a Kawasaki? Kawasaki? No hands? Yo! Let's go! He got the idle up, so he's sort of cheating, but we'll let it slide. You say he's just learning, bro. What are you talking about? You just picked that up like nothing. Oh. Let's slow that bad boy down a little bit. Let's go! We outside! Sport bike vibes, dog. Look how slow he's going, man. Gee, that blue looking good. Alrighty gang, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to stay motivated. We have mercy in the description down below. I am planning a trip to Africa. I know it sounds crazy and it's still like in my mind I'm like, what am I gonna do? But stay posted for that. I'll give you guys more details coming soon, but we're about to go on a crazy adventure for 2023, so stay tuned. I love you gang. Peace.